here today. So we are doing a marker, 3 markers. 1, 2, 3. I got all these markers, and I need a clear piece of paper, and we're gonna. And I hope you enjoy, and you follow me, and click that like button. So I hope you enjoy it. But let's get on to this video. Yeah! We are gonna draw a kissing emoji, a unicorn. We're gonna need a purple marker, a pink marker, orange marker, blue marker, and black marker. So those are all the colors you're gonna need. And you're also gonna need a bowl to draw over on, and also paper. We're gonna trace the bowl. So let's trace the bowl. Let's do it. So we're gonna put it right in the middle. So wait, it's stuck. Keep going. Can't stop. Don't one. Now we're gonna draw the horn. I'm gonna do the mane now.
Hey guys, I'm going to be doing the other side. So yeah, I'm just gonna touch up this side a bit and then hopefully do an okay job on the other side. Now we're gonna do the body.
So I'm gonna draw the eyes. So I'm gonna add some eyelashes when I'm done.
We're gonna add a couple details to the mouth.
Now I'm gonna add a little hair behind here. Now I'm gonna do some cute details. You can add extra details if you would like. So what I added on mine was a pearly necklace and a little crown on the side. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and watching the video today. And we will see you in the next round. Bye!